72 C10 Custom Deluxe. Regular cab short box, as you can see. Nicely equipped truck, power steering, power brakes, AC components are all there. Compressor I've had kick on and off. Blows cool, may need to be recharged, but everything is in working order there. Factory tack and gauges. Let you take a close look at the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. There'll also be a picture of the data tag, I guess if you will, that is in the glove box on our website, as well as the VIN tag. You can see the pickup nice and straight down the driver's side. According to the data tag in the glove box, was a Hugger orange and white combination. And if you want to check out those still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Power plant underneath the hood, TKX suffix code, so your 402 or 400, era correct, and of course paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side. Again, you can see the truck nice and straight. I'm going to hit above and below the wheel wells and the lower rockers and the cab corner here for you too. As you can see, it doesn't look like really any bubbling. Maybe just a tad, tiny, real small spot. Looking pretty nice. Above and below the rear wheel well. Does have a spray-in color keyed red liner, rear sliding glass. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Rest of the box. As you can also see, paint shows nicely on it. Take a close look down the driver's side here, and we'll get into some of the engine. I'll start it up, let you know what I know about underneath the hood. Looking good down the driver's side also. Cab corners, again, lower rockers. Interior seat has been reupholstered. Is carrying a red and black theme, cloth vinyl combination, as you can see. Again, power steering, power brakes. We have the original gauge cluster, tachometer. Now, as far as underneath the hood, let me hit on that a little bit before we start it up and check out that engine bay. We do have the new cam, lifters, rockers, timing chain, and gears. There's HEI ignition, Edelbrock intake, and Holley carb. Newer shocks and also brakes and exhaust. Done on this truck. Tilt column. Radio does work, wipers work. Like I said, that AC compressor turns on and off, it blows cool. Could use a charge. Wanted it good and ice cold. So interior, nice looking interior. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Of course, this would have been a factory AC truck, as you can see. Aftermarket style retro sound radio. You have a working radio. Again, wipers work. Oh, tachometer, let's show you that. Miles read 63,873. I can't confirm or deny if that's original, due to the fact the miles do not stay with the title once the truck is so old. Nice sounding truck. Until we got a little cam in there. Door closes, fits nicely. Slip around in the back here so you hear that run. Nice rumble coming out of that 400. Alright, let me slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood, give you a look at the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice looking engine bay here. Tidy. Once again, you can see power steering, power brakes. Got Edelbrock carb, ATI ignition. Excuse me, Edelbrock intake, Holly carb. Sorry about that. AC has been converted from R12. Again, all the components are there. Looking for a sharp Shortbox regular cab. Here you go, 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.